Jai Bhagwan. Vedanta philosophy, interpretation of Atma Shatak of Adi Shankaracharya, who lived 8th century AD. Video number 6, explaining negation and affirmation. Again, previous videos review. Brahman is supreme consciousness. It reflects in everyone as individual consciousness. All the living creatures from ant to elephant, everyone has spark of Atman. It is covered up with many layers. Animals have 3 layers, that is body, senses and mind. Humans have 2 more layers, which is intellect and consciousness. Intellect is the faculty of buddhi, which judges and analyzes. It gives us freedom to know who am I, and faculty of consciousness allows us to experience bliss of God. Animals don't have these faculties. So we want to be free and realize the self. That is the goal of yoga. That is the goal of Vedanta. That is the goal of all the living creatures. To be free from the illusion of Maya and realize to our true nature. So we have to be free from all the identity, because identity built from consciousness to our mental body or astral body, to our gross body, to our possessions and relationship, and to our abstract identification. So we have to remove all these things. So it goes in the stages. Adi Shankaracharya wrote 6 verses explaining negation and affirmations. So the negations are that I don't belong to any nation, any religion, any race. All abstract things are removed. The negation, I don't own anyone, I don't own anything. Then further, I don't own my body, I don't own my senses, I don't own my mind or intellect, or I'm not individual consciousness. When we remove all the negations, what remains is our true essence, and that is the affirmations. Affirmations that I am pure consciousness. It's just like peeling off all the layers of onion. What remains? When you peel off all the layers, the real essence within onion is nothing, but that nothingness is everything. This is explained in one Upanishad. Opening the fruit, the disciple finds nothing. And Guru says this nothingness is everything. So we come to this affirmation of nothingness. Adi Shankaracharya taught it in this book, Personal to Global Transformation, written in 2007, and bring out the teaching in a simplified form. First comes personal attunement. First you become attuned to yourself, that is, means your Jivatma. Let your body, senses, mind be comfortable and quiet. Then practice the affirmations, ours, like I have no race, nationality, all those affirmations. Then mine, I have no family, I have no home, I have no things like that. Then me, I have no name, name is just a label. I'm not father, mother, brother, sister, these are the relationship we establish. I'm not male or female, these are all mine. Then affirmation to confirm bliss. I am the self, I am bliss, I am immortal, I am consciousness. And then comes the expansion. Expansion is to realize that I am none of this, but I am Brahman, which is within as nothingness, but at the same time expansion to see that Brahman exists beyond. So expansion is to feel I am connected with all the living creatures. entire universe is nothing but extension of me. Feeling that unity is expansion. So Brahman within and Brahman without. And this is the basic essence of Vedanta philosophy and teaching of Adi Shankaracharya, and 6 verses in the future videos that explains his direct teaching and its translation. This translation of Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, but besides Vedanta philosophy of Adi Shankaracharya, that 6 verses, and Bhaja Govindam, that is removing the attachment called Mohamudgara, 31 verses, and 6 verses called Atma Shatak are explained in this book written in 2011. And the mantra, 6 verses, will be in the next 3 videos. Jai Bhagavan.